I often get asked by attorneys, how do we fully educate the jury so that they understand the client's impairments and disabilities? Well, the answer to that is twofold. So number one, until you can get a doctor on the stand that can break down the impairments and disabilities into relatable thought processes from the jury to where they can understand what they're talking about, they're never going to get it fully. Here's an example. If you have an orthopedic surgeon on the stand talking about the surgery they did to someone's forearm, as opposed to saying, well, I did an open reduction internal fixation to the distal radius, them actually saying to the jury, yeah, I had to take a titanium rod that was 8 inches long and put 12 2-inch screws through the plate into the bone to help repair the fracture they sustained in the accident. That's much more relatable, okay, to the jury members than an open reduction internal fixation, okay? And number two, use your experts as a demonstrative. Get them, if you can, out of the chair and in front of the jury, okay? So for example, I'm a certified functional capacity evaluator, and oftentimes the plaintiff attorney will ask to be able to bring me down in front of the jury members to actually demonstrate some of the functional tasks that I do with the client to determine their return to work feasibility or their loss of function or establishing certain disabilities, okay? It gets the jury more interaction and gets them something else to look at other than just someone sitting up there, which they've seen time and time again for the last 2, 3, 4, 5 days. It breaks up the monotony of them just sitting there and literally nodding off. I've seen this before where they're nodding off because, you know, trial is a marathon. So make it exciting. Get your experts, if you can, out in front of the jury members to actually demonstrate something that they did or show the jury the tests they performed to come to whatever conclusions they came to. So think about these two things when you are at trial to help get your point across to the jury so they understand, but also to help win their hearts.